In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export and print notes from Notebook LM. By the end, you'll have your notes safely copied into Google Docs, ready to save, share, or print whenever you need. First, open Notebook LM. Make sure you're signed into the account where your notes are stored so you see the correct content. Give the page a moment to load, and then head to the notebook or workspace where your note lives. If you have a lot of material, use the search bar or scan your list to quickly find the right note. Once you've located the specific note you want to export, open it so the full text is visible. Take a second to preview it and confirm you're looking at the exact content you want to move. If your note has multiple sections, decide whether you want everything or just a portion. Now highlight the text you want to take with you. You can click and drag across the content to select it or use keyboard shortcuts to select all. When the text is selected, copy it. A quick shortcut like Command+C on Mac or Control+C on Windows works great, or you can use the copy option from the interface if it's available. You won't see anything change on the page, but your text is now on the clipboard and ready to paste. Next, open Google Docs in your browser and create a new blank document. Click into the document body and paste the text you just copied. Use Command+V on Mac or Control+V on Windows, or right-click and paste. You should now see your note appear in the document. Give it a quick read to make sure everything transferred as expected. If the formatting looks off, you can adjust headings, spacing, or lists in Docs so it's clean and readable. Rename the document with a clear title at the top so you can easily find it later. Google Docs saves automatically, so your note is now safely stored. That's the entire export. You've moved your note from Notebook LM into Google Docs. From here, you're set to do whatever you need next, including sharing or printing using your usual Google Docs options. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you only needed part of a note, repeat the same copy-paste process for each section you want to keep in separate documents. And if something didn't paste, double-check that the text was fully highlighted before copying, then try again. You're all set. You now have a straightforward, reliable way to export your notes from Notebook LM by copying and pasting into Google Docs, keeping everything organized and ready whenever you need it.